Hello all, let us take up this experiment, phase and line quantities in three-phase star bar delta circuits. Aim of the experiment, determination of line and phase values of voltage and line and phase values of current for a star connected load and delta connected load. Apparatus required, voltmeter, ammeter, three-phase lamp load and connecting wires. Circuit diagram for star connection is shown in the figure. Connections are made. If we measure voltage between any two lines, we call it as line voltage. If we measure voltage between a line and a neutral point, we call it as phase voltage. Power supply is switched on. Auto transformer is gradually varied to apply the voltage to the circuit. Around 400 volts are applied. And phase voltage is measured as 228 volts. Line and phase currents are the same. It will be 0.42 amperes. After taking the reading, auto transformer is brought back to its initial zero output position and power supply is switched off. Readings are tabulated. Next we see delta connection. Circuit diagram is shown. Connections are made. Power supply is switched on by using three-phase auto transformer. Voltage is varied and 230 volts are applied. Line current and phase currents are measured. Line current will be 0.74. Phase current will be 0.42. Again, auto transformer is brought back to its initial zero output position. Power supply is switched off. Results are tabulated. From the experiment, we can conclude that in case of star connection, line current is equal to phase current. Line voltage is equal to √3 times phase voltage. In case of delta connection, line current equal to √3 times phase current and line voltage equal to phase voltage. These are the references. Thank you.